Freelancers are expected to make up about half of the American workforce in 2027. Freelancers are also healthier and happier because they feel like they can live the lifestyle they want. Knowing this information, it's no surprise that more and more people are interested in working remotely for themselves. As demand for freelancers continues to increase, you may ask yourself what you can do to join the freelance revolution. Luckily, you may already have the skills you need to get your first client. This list comprises 8 of some of the most in-demand freelancing jobs you didn't know you could get. 1. Software and program development. Mobile app development, software, and programming jobs have the skills to be some of the highest-paid freelancers out there. You need the right skills to become a developer, so you'd first need to invest your time and energy into learning. But once you do, you'll stand out. Some freelance developers make as much as $1,000 per hour. You know what they say, good coders are hard to find. If your skills aren't advanced enough to charge that much per hour, some starting developers can charge from $150 to $200 per hour. You can start by taking free classes from Code Academy and Udemy, but you'll eventually need to branch out and learn more to make the big bucks. 2. Social media manager. Large or small, all companies need an online presence to stand out in today's market. The need for quality social media material is constant, as it's important to build and keep a brand following, brand voice, and online presence. Because of this, companies are looking for social media specialists or social media managers to create and publish content. Social media managers need to be skilled in tracking metrics, monitoring engagement, and observing and reporting social media trends. They should also have a knack for creating good content. As of March 2021, the average freelance social media manager's income was about $50,834 a year in the United States. 3. Copywriter. Copywriters can master one type of writing, but many copywriters learn a whole range of writing skills for their clients. Businesses love copywriters because they take the business's goals, ideas, and translate them into compelling copy with a call to action. The freelance copywriters' national salary is $62,080 per year. While copywriters have written advertising copy and copy for media outlets, they may also write other content for companies as their needs grow. Some examples of these are marketing emails, social media content, technical reports, training manuals, press releases, articles, blog posts, speeches, website copy. 4. Graphic design. Upwork, a popular freelance website, ranks graphic design as the #2 most in-demand skill set for freelancers. Businesses need to attract and maintain their audience and followers through highly visual platforms, which means there's a ton of need for logos and graphics. This can be through advertisements, graphs, and other layouts. Graphic designers should be able to create imagery for both physical and digital content and be skilled in using text, images, color to create visuals. While graphic designers have needed a degree in the past, freelance graphic designers find their portfolio is more important than their education. That being said, if you're interested in graphic design, education on using graphic design platforms may be useful. A freelance graphic designer's salary ranges depending on their experience. The average freelance graphic designer salary is $58,558 a year. 5. Accountant. Yes, even accountants can make a living freelancing. As freelancers, accountants can work for one or multiple clients to keep and interpret financial records. They often oversee taxes and help their clients abide by federal regulations. To become an accountant, you need at least a minimum of a bachelor's degree in accounting, finance, or a related field. Further education is often preferred. Accountants can get a master's degree or certified public accountant, CPA, designation. A freelance accountant's salary can range between $14,000 to $120,000 depending on their education, experience, and certifications. 6. Virtual assistant. More and more companies are moving towards smaller office spaces and downsizing their employee count. While this is changing the workforce, it's making virtual assistants all the more necessary. Virtual assistants can help with anything a company needs, including but not limited to social media management, general administration, bookkeeping, manage inventory, customer service, website maintenance. Virtual assistants are so in demand that they can do very well with limited to no experience. The national average salary of a virtual assistant is $48,099 a year. 7. Photographer/videographer. Freelance photographers are always needed, whether for businesses or families. Businesses need professional photos for online stores or websites. Many freelance photographers also sell wedding photos and videos, graduation photos, and headshots. Whatever niche you dive into, you'll have a captive audience. Freelance photographers and videographers should focus on creating a portfolio, both on a website and social media platform. Remember that post-production editing is just as important as taking good photos, so Photoshop skills are required. Photographers also have the added benefit of other forms of income through their photography. They can sell their work as digital downloads, stock photos, and even print on demand. The average salary for a freelance photographer falls at $57.806 a year. 8. Web designer. Every business needs a website. Since more and more people are relying on their websites to not only sell but perform important business functions, freelance web designers are highly sought after. Web designers need a lot of skills to best serve their clients. A normal web designer needs to know all the ins and outs of website creation, including coding language, mockup creation, color schemes, typography, and other design elements. Employers tend to hire web designers based on their portfolios rather than their education. But freelance web designers should seek out enough education to gain an adequate understanding of HTML code, graphic design skills, and some programming knowledge. The average freelance web designer's salary can range based on their experience, but the average is $57.000 per year. Whatever your passion is, you can make money from it by freelancing. If you're ready to work from home, travel where you want, and feel happier overall, then now is the time to make the jump. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more quality video like this. Thank you for watching this video, and I would see you in the next one.